got these shelves to put in our closet to help with some clothes issues in our closet. We have them up here that way you just throw stuff up there that we want to store with. And then down here, these are just extra ones that you can actually take hangers and hang clothes here and then lay stuff on the top. And that's what we've done over here. Again, we've got stuff up on the top, just clothes, but then you can see the rack here is great for just hanging your clothes with. And actually this is very solid. As you can tell, we've got a lot of clothes on there, so it's worked out really good. But like I said, we've got plenty of them, plenty of room with this one. It goes all the way across, but it's just nice to have these sturdy, it's just a very durable metal, and you can just put as much as you want on there because of the bars reinforce it. But we've been very satisfied, haven't had any problems. As you can tell, this stuff is all up there and we just not had any issues with it. So I just want to show you what they look like. If you're needing something for storage, these have worked out great for us.